This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and in today's video I'll show how you can make it so that your phone will be charged from the remote controller or by the remote controller, or vice versa, how to switch this option off and make it so that this connection will only be responsible for data transfer and no power exchange will take place. So to start, launch the drone's settings and select the control category. Now scroll down, look for the remote controller section, and here you have the phone charging toggle. Once enabled, the phone is going to be charged by the remote controller, so it's going to drain its battery. If you do not want to do that, which most of us wouldn't, I would assume, you can switch this toggle off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.